Check out what just came in to the auction, man. Well, it's been here a while, I guess, but this one's on the auction block. Yeah, 1970 Buick Skylark, man. Yeah. Yeah. I know. She's a Mordor. Been off the road for a while. No keys. No bueno. Vinyl top car. This side's fairly straight though. Skylark Custom. That's a sought after bumper right there, man. 1 year only. Too bad it got dinged right here. Actually torn right there. And somebody rear-ended it, or it backed up into something. Tail lights are cracked there. That was issues there too. What the heck is that? Hella. You see that? Texas Masons. AAA protected. Now, if you notice, it looks shinier on this side than it does on this side over here. See that? Almost like it's been painted on this side. Yeah. I don't really feel any rust, like, you know, obvious, like where it's bubbling or something, but at least it doesn't have the pillars, right? That's what they say is wrong with it. Non-runner, bad carburetor, leaks fuel, fire hazard, rust damage, mold, dirty fuel system. That windshield does not look like it has a crack in it. I think all the glass, yeah, all the glass is on this one. See that? It's shiny, not shiny. Yeah. Unfortunately, man, that grill's busted. It's a crack there. We got one T3. 2, 3. Actually, we got three of them. 3 T3s. The that bumper looks good though. Definitely painted on this side. I don't know if y'all could see it, but I can. See that Bondo right there. I don't know if you can see it down there. This part's a little weak right here. See that right there? Got welding right there. It shouldn't go there. It's like the whole thing bounces when you see that. Oh, there's the VIN on it. Right? Yeah. I guess, right? Not the VIN. Underneath, even though it's hard to see, actually looks pretty freaking solid underneath from what I can tell. I don't know. motor spray right there. Got some damage right there. See Bondo. Luckily for me, the deck lid was open, so hopefully it won't say nothing. But can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can turn that light on. See that? So the whole quarter panel was replaced. Yep, see what it's cut. Yep. They just welded it right over it. I don't even think they put a flange on it. Yeah. Wet. But this one is the original. Yeah. I don't think I see anything that's been done to it, right? Or have I? We got some guys that just stopped to look at it, so well, they're gonna have to be on camera if they stay here. Ugh. Got a 10 bolt. So it looks underneath looks pretty clean, actually. Yeah. Nice gas tank, fuel tank. She's rocking, is it 3 of them? 1, 2. Yeah, she's got 3 of the 14-inch though, man. I was hoping they'd be 15s, but they're 14s. Let's see it right there. We're gonna go on the other side because this side's too, it's just too tight. You know, see, it's too close right here. It's hard to open that door. Got a lot more room over here. But I gotta say, man, I like this pattern. I don't know why, but I just do. I think she's rocking full set of the, full set of the floor mats, Buick floor mats there. Look pretty nice. Now the headliners actually, there's no rips. Well, actually there is. I think, yeah, is there a little one right there maybe? I don't know. I think they're starting, but maybe starting to split a little bit, but it's you know, it's in really nice shape though. You know, all things considered. See that? They got power windows. So she does got some options, man. Door panels all are in decent shape. You know. So power windows. Let me take my let me sit down here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, nice and comfy. So, like I said, we got power windows, and we have. You probably can't. You want to? I'll see if I can open it. Let's see. Let me try to turn this thing around without messing up the. See that? We got a power. Got a power bench. That's cool. Most of the time these are stuck. I bet that thing still works. And it is a factory AC car. It is, right? Wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I've got the fan here. I got the AC. Yeah. I know I saw the pictures. Yeah. Factory AC. Yeah, because you wouldn't have the deal there. The dash. I do not see a crack on it. It is still fairly pliable. Yeah. Yeah, man. This would have been nice if it would have had would have been a tilt column. Steering wheel, you know, it's not cracked or anything. That, you know, not. Wait. Is that? Oh no, that's not cracked. That's the way it is. Yeah. So we got a nice steering wheel. What's going on there? Look at that VIN. Let's see if that's correct. But yeah. Couldn't find no paperwork, man. I don't know if they tossed it or took it or whatever. I don't know. Let's see here. Can't really see it there. And oh man, not gonna be able to see it there either, because it like kind of an overspray. Damn. Let me see if I can see it up here.